This is something that is done in loads of films, like 75% of the film will be recorded afterwards.
Hey Rupert.
Hello.
Oh. So, what have we got going on in the office today?
So there's lots of stuff going on. We're going live in private mode on Cedars tomorrow, which is very exciting. So lots of conversations with investors, finishing up the video, proofing of stuff, all sorts of stuff to do today.
How was your holiday? How was your skiing?
Skiing was amazing. I would say it's good to be back, but it's really not, because mountains are much better than this stuff.
Rain. It's been
a beautiful shot of where I was skiing.
Yeah.
But yeah, back with a vengeance, because Rupert set me a serious task today. As I'm sure you're already aware, we're raising on Cedars and we need to do our Cedars video. Now, Rupert is always obsessed with this idea of giving his pitch while doing a bunch of crazy stuff. Unfortunately, what that means is the audio sounds terrible. Like, I tried my best, I really did. So you can see he's on a quad bike. He's got Puppet, he's on the beach, it's really windy.
The world's now changed, and there's no point burying your head in the sand.
The river.
We're a fresh-faced team of digital creatives.
The tank.
Get in touch.
It's kind of jarring and not that nice. So today we're going to be doing some ADR, which stands for Auto Dialogue Replacement. This is something that is done in loads of films, like 75% of the film will be recorded afterwards. There are some serious challenges with this, making it sound realistic. It's going to be a nightmare. Also making sure Rupert in this case delivers the lines with exactly the same inflections, the same pacing, the same enthusiasm.
It's a little bit challenging because you can hear if someone's smiling, for instance, so you have to fully act it. It sounds ridiculous, but if you don't do it and I just go, "Hi guys, Rupert here from Perspective Pictures," then you can hear that. But when I'm there animated like, "Hi guys, Rupert here from Perspective Pictures," you can hear it you can hear the different face shapes. Okay, ready?
Alright, recorded.
All to engage their core audiences, drive brand awareness, and increase product purchases. That's pretty sick. You've got to imagine you're on a quad bike.
yeah.
So far, we've worked with the likes of Deliveroo, Rolls-Royce, Fuel, and Time Out.
I've never seen anything quite like that.
Honestly, it's gonna look amazing. I can see that it's matching up beautifully. Oh, I got the order of brands wrong. It's so close though.
I think we've got that.
Yeah, you can just cut it around.
Yeah.
How's Rupert doing? How's the sound?
Weirdly, it's weird. Like, it's weirdly close quite a lot of the time.
But Ben will say action, wait 2 seconds, and then squeeze me. Let's practice it. So you're gonna go, "Oh, it's freezing! Oh, it's freezing!" Oh, freezing! That's how it felt in the water. Okay, ready?
Squeezing.
Oh, it's freezing! No, that works. I think we know. Let's see anyone? Go on then. Give Tara a look. Awareness and increase product purchases.
It's like the first time you watched Godfather Part 2, isn't it, you know? It's better than Godfather Part 1, but somehow it is.
My offer is this.
Lots of video content that's relevant and offers real value to your audience.
So we've just finished all the ADR stuff. I think it went pretty well. It's a mixture of stuff that you couldn't quite hear on set or the audio wasn't recorded properly enough.
That was challenging, alright?
It wasn't Ben's fault. It was very challenging conditions. I said, "Can we film on a windy beach?" and wasn't the audio amazing? But yeah, so I think we've got it all in the can now. Ben's just going to kind of cut it together. Some of it, as I said, is because of you couldn't quite hear the audio, the poor audio quality because of the challenging conditions, and some of it was because we've actually changed the lines of dialogue in it from what it was before. And then one section is because it's a puppet and it can't talk, so I'm trying to make it look like a ventriloquist. But hopefully, when you see it online, you won't even know that it wasn't the original audio. The tank bit is a bit like, it's a fucking tank, and it's
This is like the sound of the car being crushed.
yeah.